Basit. I am studying in 9th class. Our school name is TMRS Boys 1 LRD. Our project is Ayurvedic home remedies and to cure chronic diseases. What is chronic disease? Condition to control or your treatment for few months. Examples like diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney diseases and constipation. Now I take diabetes. Diabetes is a genetic as well as high lifestyle disease in which the blood sugar level is mainly high in the human body. Remedies for the diabetes: beetroot gourd, fenugreek seeds, mango leaves, amla, moringa leaves. Now the explanation of remedies, I take beetroot gourd. Beetroot gourd have two important compounds: meratin, momodician. Beetroot gourd have reach of plant insulin polypeptide P.
Start.
High blood pressure, it known as hypertension or high blood pressure. Due to high blood pressure, stressful movement, the lifestyle person, they suffering for hypertension. Only early symptoms: loss of balance, face flushing, nose bleeding and severe headache. And remedy for high blood pressure: onion, garlic, green tea, amla, honey, lemon, vegetables and fruits, watermelon. And now I take the best example of high blood pressure remedy is garlic. Garlic, they reduce is cholesterol levels and the function is smooth. And watermelon can keeping the heart healthy.
Start.
Now kidney diseases. Kidney unable to filter the blood and they remove the waste material through urine, causes less than 3 liter of water and so much intake of salt, eating so much intake of mutton, negligence treatment of high BP and sugar, and drinking cold water from the fridge, and in so much protein intake in the protein and exudes the properties. Now remedies for Purna Churnam, Palash Churnam, Kasni Churnam, Gokshur Churnam. The example of remedy is Kasni Churnam. I am taking Kasni Churnam. Kasni Churnam is inflammatory.
Right.
Last one, constipation. Constipation is condition there is difficulty of waiting, relieving boil of usually caused associated hardened faces, hard stool, painful movement and possible bleeding. Remedy for constipations: castor oil, dried plums, aloe vera, alexic oil, yogurt, curd. Now I take a best example for aloe vera. Aloe vera juice you take 30 ml of early morning. Okay sir, thank you for giving this project of me and thank you.